natural first 15 seconds on Earth. A city of lights, power, money, and dreams. But this city was not always like this. Everything you see today started from smoke, struggle, and broken streets. And what happened next changed the world forever. In 1950, New York looked completely different. Factories covered the skyline with smoke. The streets were crowded and noisy. Old buildings stood everywhere. Traffic was messy, and millions of people were trying to survive in a rapidly growing city. Life was difficult. Many neighborhoods were dirty, damaged, and overcrowded. But even during hard times, the city never stopped moving. Every street had energy, every building had a story, and every person carried a dream. Then, the worst slowly, the transformation began. Construction workers entered the city. Old buildings started disappearing one after another. Massive cranes appeared across the skyline. Roads became wider. Steel structures started rising from the ground. The city was rebuilding itself. Day by day, block by block, New York started becoming something the world had never seen before. During the rise of the skyline in 1970s, the skyline started changing rapidly. Skyscrapers reached higher into the clouds. New bridges connected different parts of the city. Subways expanded underground. Traffic increased everywhere. The nights became brighter, the streets became faster, and New York became a symbol of modern life. People from all over the world started arriving here. Some came with money, some came with nothing, but everyone came searching for opportunity. Then came the world age. Glass towers replaced old factories. Technology entered homes, offices, and streets. The financial industry exploded. Business moved faster than ever before. New York became one of the most powerful cities in human history. Movies, music, fashion, and culture spread from this city to the entire world. The city never slept, and it never stopped growing. The future of New York, but the story still continues. Now we move toward the future, New York 2027, a city powered by technology, smarter transportation systems, cleaner energy, greener skyscrapers, digital systems controlling traffic and communication, a future where architecture and technology become one. The skyline looks almost unreal, yet everything evolved from the same very streets built decades ago. From basics owned to glass and steel, to glass and light, from crowded, broken streets to one of the greatest cities ever built, New York became more than a city. It became a symbol of human ambition, a place where millions of dreams were born. And even today, the transformation is still continuing, because New York never stops evolving.